All right, today we're gonna French this rib roast right here. So as you can see, the rib roast, I mean, it kind of just looks like a ribeye. Now you have your two bones right here, and these bones, these beef backbones, just ride all the way up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of cut them off right here. You can kind of see this natural marker right here. We're gonna cut this off, and then we're gonna cut it out between the bones, and it's gonna make for a nice presentation when we smoke this up. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is you're gonna find that natural point right there, and you're gonna slice it down just about till you hit the bone. Then what I'm gonna do is come in at this bone level right here and slice up. Until you get to this spot right here. So already making decent progress. So now you can kind of see. So we're gonna take this, just kind of clean that up a little bit. Don't have to go too crazy. And then we're gonna cut all around the bones that we just exposed. So we're gonna do what we can to kind of just peel this membrane and fat layer back from the bone tips right here. So now we're gonna take a small paring knife, and this is where we're gonna start cleaning it up. So right here you can see where this bone is. So now what we wanna do is we wanna carve out the bones so they stand out. So we're gonna take this little paring knife and just cut straight down, back over, and then straight up. Same thing with right here. Now we're gonna take that and we're just gonna clean it up and just cut straight off and get any kind of meat and fat we can. So since we're the end user right here, we're gonna smoke this rib roast ourselves. We wanna go ahead and clean up that membrane and fat too, make it look good. Take this one and just carve right up the bone. All the way to the tip. That's what she said. And then we're gonna take the membrane right here. Just clean that up as well. If you get a good cut, you can actually get a decent peel on it. And then if we're lucky, you can just peel the whole thing. All right, now we're gonna start trimming some of the fat caps. Now these bones are pretty clear of membrane and fat and meat. That's a pretty decent look right there. So we're We're gonna trim some of this fat cap off from in here. We're actually gonna slice this down almost all the way through. So we're gonna open it up, and then that's where you can put some seasoning inside it. You're gonna close it and then use butcher twine to tie it off. But for this one, we're just gonna trim this cap off now.